So today we'll be making our 3S3P 12.6 volt lithium ion battery. We got active cell balancer which will act as charger as well. This is a 3S 40 ampere configuration. We got the black connectors and we got the cells 2000 mAh each. We will count up to 12.6 volts and 6000 mAh in 3S3P configuration. So let's get started. I'll firstly assemble these connectors and I'll arrange the cells.
Wie ein Schlag, der mich umfasst, ja bleibst in mir ganz ohne Plan, wie ein Suchtgift gegen Wahn. Wenn es trifft, dann ohne Maske, wie ein Schlag, der mich umfasst, ja bleibst in mir ganz ohne Plan, wie ein Suchtgift gegen Wahn. Dich lassen, doch du kehrst. Dein Fehlen hat mich doch beschwert. Auch wenn ich dich nicht mehr such, kommst du nachts aus meinem Buch. Wenn es trifft,
Now firstly we'll spot weld the cells in parallel. All three cells in parallel. We'll go these three lines, these three lines, these three lines. The same way on the other side. Thereafter we will make them series by shorting the negative of first lane to the positive of second lane, and then negative of second lane to the positive of third lane. We'll take the outputs from these two cells, and we'll take this kind of nickel strips. We'll cut it to length. We'll also score them from corners so that they do not touch the or they do not cut through the insulation and touch with the negative part of the battery, which is the whole cell of it. So we'll cut 9 pieces of these and 6 to go from side to side. Now what we'll do is we'll take one of our this spot welding machines. This is cheap Chinese version of the same. We'll use another lithium polymer battery with a high C rating because it will get hot and you need high current for spot welder to work. So we are finally done with the series with the parallel connection and the series connection as well. So we'll now check it with the multimeter. 4 in the first series, 4 volt in the second series, and 4 volts in the third series. We'll attach to our battery. One of the problem that I faced that I had to recharge the was the 0 volt here goes to the negative series, or the negative part of the whole series, which is the only negative which is not in series with anyone. So the 0 volt of the BMS will go to here, 4.2 will go to the positive side of that negative cell, 8.4 will go to the third, and 12.6 will go to the fourth, or the ultimate positive side. So we'll now solder it. Always use some kind of liquid first so that the battery does not get too much warm, so that you need to use the soldering iron for a little while only.
wollte dich lassen, doch du kehrst. Dein Fehlen hat mich doch beschwert. Auch wenn ich dich nicht mehr such, kommst du nachts aus meinem Buch. Wenn es trifft, dann ohne Maske, wie ein Schlag, der mich umfasst, ja bleibst in mir ganz ohne Plan, wie ein Suchtgift gegen Wahn. Wenn es trifft, dann ohne Maske, wie ein Schlag, der mich umfasst, ja bleibst in mir ganz ohne Plan, wie ein Suchtgift gegen Wahn.
be using this black tape. It's a cloth tape to insulate the battery.
Wenn es trifft, dann
Our contact pads of the cells are isolated, actually insulated. Now we'll solder our output pads, output and input pads, and we'll put it in the boxes.
wie ein Schlag, der mich umfasst, ja bleibst in